In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monzo to Xero. By the end, you'll have your Monzo account set up in Xero and ready for reconciliation with clear guidance on what each screen means so you can move confidently through the process. First, go to Xero and sign into your account. If you work with more than one business in Xero, make sure you're in the correct organization before you continue. You'll also want to have the right permissions to add bank accounts. Typically, advisor or standard access with bank account permissions works best. It helps to have your Monzo account details handy so you can enter them accurately without switching back and forth. Next, open the accounting menu at the top of the screen and choose Bank Accounts. This is the central place in Xero where you manage all your bank and credit card accounts, set up new ones, and keep an eye on your balances and reconciliations. If you already have accounts listed here, you'll see them on this page. If not, this page will be blank and ready for your first setup. Now, select the option to add a new account without a bank feed. On many Xero screens, this appears after you click Add Bank Account and don't find your bank in the list, or you'll see an option to add the account manually. Choosing to add without a bank feed simply means you're creating the account in Xero first, without connecting live bank data yet. This is a perfectly valid approach if you plan to import statements or connect a feed later, and it avoids delays if a direct connection isn't immediately available. Finally, start entering your Monzo account details. Give the account a clear name you'll recognize, such as Monzo Business Current. Select the correct account type, usually bank, and choose the right currency. Enter your account number and sort code exactly as they appear in your Monzo app. If Xero asks for an opening balance, add the amount and the date that matches your records so reconciliation lines up from day one. You can also choose whether to show this account on your dashboard for easy access. Double-check everything for accuracy, then save. That's it. You've set up your Monzo account in Xero. From here, you can reconcile transactions as they come in, import statements if needed, or return later to connect a live bank feed when it's available. Keep your start date consistent to avoid duplicates, and you'll be ready to keep your books tidy and up to date.